In this video, we are going to test out the Mi 11 Lite, the lightest and slimmest smartphone of the world, in terms of its crash resistance quality of its tempered glass production on the display, and the frosted glass at the back, which has always managed to fail till date. We will also be bench testing the 11 Lite to know the real life structural strength and build quality of its 6.8mm slimmest design. Xiaomi is still continuing the trend of pre-applied plastic screen protectors, which used to be absent on previous devices, though we recommend you to get rid of it and go for tempered glass instead. As usual, we are testing the scratch resistance quality of the tempered glass production on the 11 Lite's display and the frosted glass at the back by rubbing it with common atoms found in pockets and a heavy duty blade. As you know, the blade is extremely important and plays a huge part in a scratch test, as poor quality tempered glass production has consistently failed in handling the blade abuse on many devices, even though glass is harder than steel on the most scale of hardness. Whereas higher quality tempered glass production like that of Corning, always found on Mi devices, have always passed the blade. And as mentioned earlier, every frosted glass back we have tested until now, starting from the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G, S21 Ultra 5G to the Mi 10T Pro 5G and the recently tested Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, have all failed the blade. Will the Mi 11 Lite 5G be able to break this line of fails? The Mi 11 Lite passes a scratch test on the display side as expected, though the frosted glass continues its bad record with minute permanent scratches. Now moving on to fun stuff with value we have been waiting for. The bench test is the best indicator with video proof about the real life structural build quality of devices given to you by the brand. The 6.8mm slimmest design is making us nervous for obvious reasons, and we can only hope for the best while expecting the worst. The cracking sound from the first display side bend is from the break on the mid-frame just near the scanner, one of the weak spots. The 11 Lite is already physically broken and things seem to be going downhill as we had feared and expected earlier. Thankfully, not much additional damage to the already broken mid-frame, just a slight bit of cracking noise from the backside bend. Things look very bleak and hopeless for the next display side bend, and there is no guarantee what might happen to the AMOLED. It seems like Xiaomi has done everything it could to give some kind of structural integrity to this slim body in terms of the glue used and the reasonably not so weak as expected design. Some additional loud sound effects, but the damage is still only at the scanner. The Mi 11 Lite fails in terms of the physical damage, but somehow manages to survive without catastrophic structural damage. Make sure to avoid tight spaces like back pockets.